Let me tell you guys a story that of a thing that has happened to me today. Not so long ago, not tomorrow, but today. Just a few hours ago, just a couple of hours ago, it happened to me. I'm that from the start, I have been that most introverted guy, most introverted guy that you'll ever see. I was that introverted and that underconfident that if I'm going to buy something on a random grocery store, I'll not able to ask the price or something, or even the worst, so many times I won't go and buy something from the bookstore or grocery store or whatever it is, just because I was so damn underconfident that I was not even able to talk to the person standing in the grocery store to say him that I want this or this. And I still remember when I was a kid, when my parents used to take me to these shops when I had to buy something, and I wanted to buy something else, but I would buy whatever the fuck they would give me because I wasn't having the confidence, I wasn't having the that will to ask that I want that thing instead of this thing, because I was just so damn underconfident and I was so damn like the most overconfident guy. I was that guy. And I remember I was in class and I was that guy who never speak to anyone else than my friends. I had three friends that I would talk to, I would sit with, I would play with, and everything. Till 10, till metric, till till the point I was in school, I was that underconfident guy. I never talked to anyone. I wasn't having so many friends. I was just having three, four friends that I sit that I used to sit with. Whenever I would go out, I would go with those friends. I was super. There were so many. There were so many reasons why I was so damn underconfident. That was that I was too short. My height was just too short. I was skinny as fuck. I wasn't having a strong background at that time. No, even at this moment. But I'm confident about that. And I was just because of so many reasons I was underconfident. I still remember one day I stepped onto the stage to recite something and I forgot just because of the pressure that I was having at that moment. But now I have came to the college and from I have been improving myself, pushing myself out of comfort zone almost every single day, talking in front of the camera, learning English, and talking to someone randomly talking to someone I don't know, and this has helped me so much. But I'm still that underconfident guy. I'm not able to speak in front of like 10 people. That is how underconfident I still am, because this is something that you develop with time, that you learn with time. This is something that you'll master after practicing. This isn't something that you will learn automatically by watching videos or something. You have to go out and practice. You have to talk to people. You have to. I was nervous talking to people. I've talked to so many people that I'm a little bit more confident now in this thing when I'm talking to people. But when it comes to speaking in front of massive people, like 5 people, 10 people, I just suck. Last year I took part in a competition or something where I had to talk in front of the camera. That video was uploaded on my college Facebook page and I had to talk in front of few people. I was underconfident at that time, but that pushed me out of my comfort zone and helped me become a little bit more confident. I received the award at Character Day, and that made me a little more confident. And these are the little things that may actually make you more confident. I'm approaching a little bit of people every single day. And recently, I there was a teacher coming into my class, and he said, "Whoever want to participate, just raise their hand." And I was sitting there at the last bench, and the teacher of continuing the story, I got some background noise in my home, so I have to continue the story. So that teacher, the teacher of Islamiyat, called me and said, "This guy is gonna do the speech." So I stood up, I came out of the room, they wrote my name, and I just came back into my room. They said that you have to prepare this uh, speech tomorrow. And I came back home, I did my work, as I do freelancing, I did all of work till 1 a.m. and I slept. And the next day I woke up, I wrote down the script, the speech that I was going to speak that day. So I wrote that, and I, without even learning that, without even reading that, without even knowing what it is, I just gone to college. And once I was there, I had to give a little bit of demo and just had to practice it again and say that tomorrow. And I have at that point I haven't even wrote the full script. So today in the morning I wrote that a little bit more, and my script was a little bit fully copied. I copied it straight from YouTube, like literally straight. I gone onto YouTube, the first video that came, I just downloaded that and wrote that script, and I just recorded that. Not recorded, I just wrote that, and I've gone with that script to the college. And today when it came to the demo, everyone was giving their speech, coming and in the demo phase everyone is coming and giving their speech, and I was sitting there shaking. I was literally shaking. There were just a few boys and 3 teachers. My legs were shaking while sitting there. My heartbeat was just so damn fast while I was sitting there. When it came at the end, at the very end, it came my turn. My turn came, and I slowly walking onto the desk, and I did this posture, and I started speaking. After taking a long breath, I started speaking. And you know what happened? When I started speaking, I was thinking that I'm speaking very well. But my legs were shaking so dang hard that everyone can notice. Like, there is a table in front of me, so that the people ahead of me won't be able to see. Definitely wouldn't have seen that I was shaking like this. They might have seen my hands shaking, but probably they wouldn't have noticed that. But the teacher who was sitting right here would have definitely noticed my legs shaking, completely shaking, where I was speaking kind of confidently with a loud voice. That is exactly what I do think. I don't know what it was from their perspective, but in my perspective, I was speaking very loud, very clearly, but my legs were shaking so damn hard. Again, I was shaking like this. And anybody can notice. So my script was also so much common. I picked it from the first YouTube video that I got. I just wrote that down and took that to the college. So I didn't got selected for a reason, because definitely I wasn't there to be selected. And this was a lesson that I pushed myself out of my comfort zone. I spoke in front of like 10-15 people and 3 teachers. The teacher is the main thing. And I spoke in front of them. My legs were shaking, but the next time I would speak, I would be more confident. The next time I would speak, I would be way more confident than that. And then it would come a point where I won't be feeling sad. There would come a point when I wouldn't be having that consciousness, and I wouldn't be shaking like that. I will be completely confident, because I would have practiced it enough times that I will be confident at that time. It is something that takes a lot of time. You won't learn it by watching YouTube videos. I'm still at that phase. I'm learning every single day, and I would tell each one of you watching, just go and talk to anyone, start participating in these different kind of things, and start speaking. That is exactly what will help you improve this video. And this was me just giving you a little bit of lesson and documenting my journey, where I am right now in my life. So bye bye. I hope you have learned something new. I hope this is going to motivate you to push yourself and go out and approach someone and talk to him, or just participate in some different things and just go and speak in front of different people. So that is it. We'll meet in another video. Bye bye.